Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xfinity remote won't change the channels, but volume works in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply press the Xfinity button on your remote once. This is going to switches the control back to the Xfinity cable box. Now you can try changing the channels again. Even after doing this, the issue still persists. You can just simply check the input source on the TV. Make sure that your TV is on the correct HDMI input where your cable box is connected. If the input is wrong, the channel buttons won't work properly. So even after doing this, the issue still continues. You can just simply repair your remote. For that, you need to again press and hold the Xfinity plus the info button together. Then wait for the light to turn green. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions, and this is going to reconnect the remote to your cable box. Now, sometimes the box itself the problem, so you can also unplug the cable box. Then you can wait for at least 60 seconds. Then after 60 seconds, plug it back in. Once it restarts, simply test the remote again. Now, some of the remotes have modes for the TV or the cable box. So you need to make sure that your remote is set to control to the cable box and not TV only. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.